Good day, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to scout online. If this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe to my channel, like it, and share my video. So the first thing you have to do, bro, like make sure that you have an Instagram account that looks professional or Facebook account. Maybe where you are making, maybe whichever platform you are using to scout on. Maybe you're making use of LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitter, or TikTok. You can also make use of TikTok to scout for. But I think TikTok has a lot of people who are actually looking for where to get work done. You get because there are a lot of foreign people, like, especially the US, who are looking for TikTok shop to help them to create to run a particular advert shop directly online. So I think yes, you can also start scouting on TikTok also. So I'll be dropping a particular video on that later. So let me just focus on what I'm here to tell you guys. So the first thing I have to know about scouting online, you know how to start looking for who's actually looking for who is looking for websites to create or a client who don't have a website. So you don't have to look for people like that again. Just badge into anyone that you know that yeah, this person has a website or maybe the person doesn't have a website. You just have to make sure that you enter the and you have to enter the person's name and the person replied to you back then. That's cool. Then you don't have to tell them like yeah, I mean professional stuff like that. Just tell them I was doing about what the business has been doing for the past 3 months. Maybe he or she has been making sales or not. Just make sure that you connect with them, share experience with them. So you both share each other experience and then maybe you see that maybe this person is not making quite a lot of sales, then you have to brainstorm like wow, this this is I'm a particular I'm so person like this is what I do. I've already helped a lot of several clients or industries to generate a lot of revenue, a lot of income for their company. You get so that's how you do it. And you just have to tell them that yeah, I'm looking for maybe you are going to when it reaches the project charge and stuff like that. Maybe you're actually trying to secure a job, you have already agreed that maybe you want to help the client to do necessary projects you want to do for the client. Maybe the client is actually looking for promotion. So you can just tell the client to send you the project and the promotion as money first. You get just collect the promotion money first. Don't charge the person like don't charge the client like yeah this is my own project charge like my own work charge you get. You don't tell the client like that. Just wait until you secure the first payment of the project. Like the money that the buyer wants to spend on the house, just secure it first. After securing it, then maybe let's assume that the buyer send you $1,000 now. So you can actually cut it to half. You get can actually cut it to half or like just take your own 40% out of it, maybe 60% to run adverts for the clients. So that means you have $400 with you already. Then you are here to make $600 to run adverts for the clients. So you just have to look for some. Maybe you don't. Not everyone knows how to run adverts like that. So you can just look for people out there like maybe on Fiverr or anywhere to help you run a good ads to the client's page, to the client's website, and they just charge you like on a low rate of charge like that. And that's how you do it. You don't have to stress yourself like, yeah, I'll be the one to do so like you don't have to do that. Just look for people who will help you to do correct ads that will run correct ads for you. And if you can also do it, there's no problem about it. There's nothing bad in running it for it by yourself. You get, but always make sure you do a good job for your client. And then when trying to run adverts for them like promotion, do not promise them sales. That's number one thing I will always tell people. Don't promise them sales because if you tell them yeah, I will help you to generate a lot of income. Like I'll generate sales for you within the next 10 days. How can it happen? Because there are a lot of people who have been in business already that even said it to say before they can actually secure one sales like this. It's not that easy. But just like person that just like new to the business and then and the person is expecting you to generate like 100 sales for like 100 sales for him at once. It is not possible. So you just have to tell the person, yeah, do not promise them like sales. Just you help them to promote their brand awareness online, because promoting the brand awareness is one of the crucial things that you have to take note of. Because when promoting the brand awareness, promoting the brand is just like you trying to let people know about the brand, what the brand is all about. But you trying to say, yeah, I'll do so, I'll generate this for if there are several steps you take when you're trying to run advert on Facebook, like do you want to generate traffic, sales, and stuff like that. But brand awareness, it will help you to gain exposure to people who are actually looking for particular place to buy your products. Do you get? That's what the meaning of brand awareness. Because most of us don't even take note of this. Just like let me just run ads at once for the pencil. And let me just no, you don't do something like that. Firstly, create a brand awareness. Tell the clients for him or her to gain a lot of sales. You have to create a brand awareness first. That's how you do it. After creating brand awareness, you can actually now move to something we call like sales web. Like maybe you're trying to move to like sales opportunity. Like that's why you start running sales after you have gained exposure online. And make sure that you just check where your website is ranking. Like the rank rate of your website also makes you like you make use of it. Like you find where you are reaching the rank of your website, because there is a particular tools that you can actually make use of that to try and get where your website is. Just to check the ranking of it, like where it is. So you need a particular tool for that. And then again, just make sure that you don't try to bargain them like, yeah, I'm a professional designer. Don't just try to know them first. Try to know what they want and what they don't want. So and after that, maybe like you have already gained close with the client already. Just have to tell them like maybe oh there is something on your website that doesn't look great and it is affecting the incoming customers not to buy your products. That's how you do it. Like you design or website or a Shopify store. That's the way you don't have to stress like yeah, I want to build an account, I want to build a Shopify store for you from scratch. Just do the design. And then your design always costs a lot of money sometimes. So that's how you do. That's how you secure a mini project as a website designer or a store design. So that's how you do it. And don't just like yeah, I want to create a store for you. This store doesn't go. Firstly, gain a trust, gain the client trust first. That's how you do it. And that's how you secure a project. You don't have to stress yourself. And always make sure that you stick to one niche when you're trying to scout. That let me say under fashion now we have a sub niche like all these to like leads like clothes and all these wristwatch and stuff like that. There are a lot of things that relate to as fashion, and make sure that you stick to one niche. And after sticking to one niche, then I'll promise you surely gain a project for sure. Make sure that you keep scouting. There are a lot of people who are currently messaging that they are not securing a job online. No, it's not that you are not securing a job online. You are going into the wrong niche that you're supposed not to go to. Just make sure you stick to one niche. I know that maybe you see that there is a lot of people who are always replying to your message. Just make sure that you keep messaging them, because this thing doesn't work for like yeah, let me just start today and I'll secure a job tomorrow. You don't have to do that. You just have to stick to like one particular niche, and just make sure like you try many sub niche again. Sometimes try people who are with like something like with low rate of people that are there. That you know that yeah, I would likely to secure a job here for sure. Just make sure you do some research on your own too, just to gain more. And again, always make sure that you don't give up on whatever you're doing, and that's how you do it. Yeah, maybe you have been for the past 1 month. There are some people who have been doing it for more than 6 months, and maybe in the seventh month or 8th month, they're able to gain their first project based on scouting. So that's how you do it. So if you really enjoy my video, can please subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. And if there's any question you want to ask, can you please comment on my video and I'll reply to you. Good day everyone. Thanks for watching.